Sir, yes or no lang po. Sabi po...
Senador ka ba?
Sabi po... Hindi, sir. Last na daw po kasi.
Future senator to.
Sorry, sir. Pero sabi po kasi ni Senator Gatchalian na he will preside over the impeachment daw po. Ano po masasabi niyo dito? Kung kayo po ba... Kayo
No
na po ba?
and no.
No.
Tanungin mo naman why.
Why? Sir, why po?
First of all, because I am Senate President, and if you look at the Constitution, it's the Senate President. Only in the case if it's the President being impeached, will it be the Chief Justice? And no, because they amended the rules, kahit tama sila, si Senator Pangilinan ang gusto nila. But by the way, they offered that to me. Bumaba daw ako na Senate President, ako magpre-preside, pero tinanggihan ko.
mag-vote ng yung majority.
Kami hindi kami nag-amend para hindi ma-delay. Pangalawa, tignan nyo statements ni Senator Pangilinan since 2016. Kayo na magsabi. Sabi nila, ang grupo daw namin hindi magiging fair kasi maraming Duterte. Tapos maglalagay ka ng presiding officer na yung previous statements niya ay guilty na. Di ba? So, you know, it's quite, so I'm not saying that he will not be impartial. I'm just saying it's double standard. Pagka grupo namin, automatic pro-Sara. Pero pag grupo nila na yung mga statements ay talagang anti-impartial sila. Diba? So, let's have the same standard for everyone. Sorry? It's Jose Luis Montales. That's the legitimate. They cannot take out Joel Montales of the Senate. Nasa rules ng Senate. So, I mean, they might be able to do it de facto. So guys, siguro, next pero de facto versus de jure. Sometimes it happens na they were able to exercise it de facto, meaning in fact nangyayari, pero illegal. Ito lang, nung araw, pag patently illegal, nagre-revolusyon na. So ngayon, may nagsasabi pa, may presumption of regularity. Walang presumption of regularity pag patently illegal. No, I wouldn't even call him de facto kasi nga nag-aagam-agam at nag-ano pa yung mind ng mga sa Senate kung sinong susundin. De facto kasi completely ganun eh. Nakita mo, nandito kami, natuloy yung hearing, di ba? Yes. Mahaba pa naman, July pa, so marami pang mangyayari. Tingin ko kaya nila gusto mag-special session.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, SP Alan Cayetano and to our media friends.